In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a file to your library on iTunes. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is go underneath your playlist and then select the library tab at the top. Then up at the top left, select the File tab and select where it says Add File to Library. You can also select the Control and O key on your keyboard as well. Navigate to wherever you want to have that file located from. That may be on your device. Then select Open, and then it should upload or input it directly into your iTunes account. So, as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.